What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today's video gonna be a step-by-step guide on how you can start trading on Bullx New, how to create a Bullx New account, how to get the early access of Bullx New. So just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. And if you guys haven't started using Bullx New, I'll provide a link in description of this as well where you can go and access Bullx New. After hitting the start button, you will see that you are put on a waiting list. But to get the early access, I'll show you a way which is really easy. We'll head over to the search bar, and on the search bar we'll search Bullx Neo Access code, and here you will see one with this much subscribers. Go and click on it, and now here you will see this button, get instant access. Just go and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll get the link of your login. You'll see this message that your access code has been redeemed, so you can simply go now and click on login button in order to continue. Now we gotta wait a few seconds here and it will redirect us to the new Bullx main interface. Now you have completed the initial steps, and in order to now start trading, we will head over to the wallet manager right here. Now this is the wallet's address given to you by Neo Bullx. You can copy this address and deposit Solana in this or Tron, whatever you want to trade. So we will head over to this phantom wallet I have right here on my Google Chrome. We can simply select Solana here, and now here we will type in the address by copying from this three dots that I just showed you guys. So go to send, select Solana, and enters the wallet's address and the amount of SOL you want to send. Let's just say we want to send 0.004 or 5 maybe. So we can click on next and send, and as you guys can see now that my transaction is successful in a couple of seconds. Now if we reload the page, you can see that my balance is now updated. Just wait a few seconds and that's it. As you guys can see, my balance is now updated. And if you talk about the difference between Bullx and Bullx Neo, Bullx Neo is basically an enhanced version of the original Bullx with enhanced trading experience, additional features which can help you trade faster with more efficiency and pace, so you can go and grab your opportunity. For finding meme coins, we have a couple of options right here. The first one is this explore section, and it consists of two further options, new pairs and trending ones. And you can also go and select the time limit according to your preference. We'll simply show you the trending ones from that particular time limit. And now we have another section known as Neo Vision. Now this consists of meme coins from a platform known as Plum.fun, and this is where you can actually find the meme coins early. Further, we will look at some settings by clicking on this settings icon on the bottom left corner. Click on settings, and now here you will see a couple of settings. And the first one you see is this security one, which allows you to basically verify the security of the meme coin that you're gonna trade with. We got the buying presets, the selling presets, the quick buy limit. All you can do by simply going on these settings right here according to your preference, of course. And we'll further go and look at some other settings right here. Simply go and click on it, and now this will give you a quick access to the order settings. Now you got buy order settings and sell order settings, and this is where you can actually edit the priority fee and these MVP protection. You can enable it, disable it, totally depends upon you. And we can similarly head over to sell order settings, and here we got the priority fee, slippage limit, similarly map protection, and we got different presets that you can make of these order settings. Now once you have selected a meme coin, you will see this dashboard right here. This is the main dashboard, and below you will see these different options, trades, orders, and top traders as well. So very useful information for you. And further, in order to buy, we can head over to this section on the right. Simply type in the amount, and these are the presets that we edited earlier in the settings. Now to buy, we can go and simply click on this buy option. You can also head over to limit section to set a limit order. So now to buy, we will simply head back and click on the buy option. And if you have sufficient funds, it will simply buy for you on a single click. Well, that's how you can start trading on this Bullx new platform. If you like the video, do consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.